Okay, I'm going to be showing you how I make Nkwobi. Here are the list of ingredients. Okay, these are some of them. What you're seeing is Ugba and this pre-cooked meat, this cow foot. I'm going to be showing you how I was able to make this cow foot very soft. Okay, here is the process. Add 2 stock cubes. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Add about 2 cups of water. Allow it to cook for about an hour. Very soft, easy to chew cow foot. This is what I showed you before. You're going to be heating and breaking out the outer layer of this calabash nutmeg. Pound together with some of this Utazi and some pepper. Then the rest of the Utazi will be used for decoration. Dissolve a teaspoon of potash in a half cup of water. Filter into a pot. Add your palm oil. I think about 200 ml would be enough. Stir all together and you get this sauce. Add the pounded Utazi, pepper, calabash nutmeg. Add a stock cube, add a pinch of salt, add the Ugba, add your pre-cooked meat, stir all together. The best way to enjoy this is to serve with white boiled yams, or you can also serve as a snack. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.